Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out one of the most popular OBD2 scanners on the market, the Foxwell NT301. If you want to save money on car diagnostics, read engine codes at home, or turn off that annoying check engine light, this little tool might just become your best friend. The Foxwell NT301 is a professional-grade OBD code reader designed for DIY mechanics, car enthusiasts, and even shop technicians. It works on all OBD2 compliant vehicles, that's cars from 1996 and newer, US, European, and Asian models. It's also IM readiness for smog tests and emissions test. NT301 tells you if your car is ready for a smog check or if more repairs are needed. Let's take a look at what this small device can actually do. The NT301 can OBD. The OBD code reader offers one of the simplest ways to diagnose OBD issues. Its 2.8 TFT color display, along with dedicated hotkeys for IM readiness checks and quick DTC reading, clearing, makes it a highly convenient and cost-effective tool. It can also help you save money while providing extra features that make diagnostics faster and easier. These upgraded functions include LED indicators, data logging, DTC assistance, VIN retrieval, and data printing, each designed to pinpoint issues more accurately and improve the overall convenience of your diagnostic workflow. The NT301 stands out from the competition with its complete support for all 10 OBD service modes. You get access to live data, freeze-frame snapshots, emissions-related trouble codes, and the ability to clear or reset stored test data and DTCs. It also provides detailed OTA sensor readings and onboard monitoring results, giving you a comprehensive diagnostic experience. This OBD2 scanner lets you view real-time data in easy-to-read graphs, making it simple to track trends, spot unusual changes, and see whether key parameters such as temperature or speed are within normal limits. With this, you can monitor your vehicle's health, pinpoint problems, fine-tune performance, and gain a clearer understanding of how your car is running. This OBD scanner is built for quick, hassle-free diagnostics, offering one-click hotkeys to read and clear DTCs instantly. To check if your vehicle is ready for a smog test, simply hold the IM rubber button for 3 seconds. The red, yellow, green LED indicators and built-in speaker provide a clear, audible status update, making smog check readiness easy to understand at a glance. If you're a car owner who wants to diagnose problems without visiting a mechanic every time, or a DIY enthusiast who loves working on cars, the Foxwell NT301 is a great pick. That's it for today's video. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more automotive tools and tech reviews, and let me know in the comments which scanner you want me to cover next.